Alright. Got another video here. This is a 2-in-1-day video. I got 5 mini tin pack for like $30 or something like that. It was on sale at Walmart for like half price, so I was like, I'm gonna pick it up. I've never opened these before, so let's get right into it and see what's in here. I guess I'm just gonna open them all up, depending on how long it takes, I guess. Let's start off. We got Mew. We got Mewtwo. We got Vulpix and the mini Pikachu, whatever his name is, Pikachu or something. Charizard. And Dragonite. These are really cool. I probably should have just got 2 of them so I could do 5 packs, so I could have held on to one, but we'll see. Maybe I'll order that again. Let's start off with Dragonite, see what's inside. Oh, these are going to be a lot harder to open. They're tight on there. Jeez. Teeth come in handy. Is this anything at the bottom? What is that? Is that coming off? Just like glue. Okay. Let's pop this bad boy open. So you get Ninetales coin, just plastic. Oh, that's cool. You get a little specific information on Dragonite. That's cool. A little artwork. And Ancient Origins pack and a Crimson Invasion. There's really not much in the tins. I thought, just got a message. I thought there was going to be a little more to it than that, but what was that? It's 30 divided by 5. It's about $6 a tin. $3 a pack, and you get a little tin. That's not too bad of a deal. If it wasn't on sale and it was like $50 or $60, it definitely wouldn't be worth it. But alright, let's get into the pack opening. Aaron, Dino, Staryu, Pumpkaboo, Stuffle, Reverse Hollow Mankey, and Gourgeist, non-holographic. Energy, Radion. So Napa. Let's see about Ancient Origins. I don't know if I ever opened up one of these before. Turn that bad boy off to the side. And we got Golett, Eevee, Quagsire, Combi, it's a Honeycomb bee, Meowth, Level Ball Reverse, and a non-hollow Vespiquen. Okay, so that's the holographic of, or the evolution of the Honeycomb, I guess. Okay, so the first tin was not so hot. Throw these guys off to the side. And we got the Charizard. I try to keep these videos pretty short, but if I'm doing all of these, this might take a little bit because they are not the easiest to open. Maybe I'll break this up into 2 videos. We'll see. Hopefully I get a Charizard in the Charizard tin. Well, I won't take off that piece of cardboard this time because there's really nothing underneath it. And what, do they all have Ninetales? If anybody wants these, you can let me know. I'm not going to use them. This is kind of cool. I'm going to keep these things. Oh, this one's kind of bent. I wonder if they're all, I guess they're all going to have the same 2 packs in it. Aren't they? Ancient Origins, I can't say that, and Crimson Invasion. So let's get them into that. Spoink, Shumecho, Jigglypuff, Execute, Stuffle, Reverse Hollow Spoink, and a GX Executor. Oh, Executor. Cool, I don't have that one, so we'll throw that into the pile. And then Hakamo-O. It's actually a really cool looking Pokemon. Haunter. Alright. So that's a little bit better. I got a GX for GX. Pretty excited about that. Have a lot of these first gen Pokemon I kind of keep off to the side too. And another Ancient Orange. Okay. Goomy, Malmar, Baltoy, Beldum, Glork, Energy Recycler, Reverse Hollow, and the rare is a Claydol. Alright, Ace. Next 10. I can't remember what the freaking baby Pikachu's name is for some reason. Is it Pichu? Is that what it is? I'll have to look it up. Google. If I knew these tins were so hard to get the wrapping off, I would have just done it before. Alright, we got another Ninetales. Yeah, seriously, if anybody wants those, let me know. I mean, I want to keep probably one, but I don't need 5 of them. I thought they should have one artwork of each of the Pokemon that are on the tins, you know? Yeah, I know. Crimson Fish. Yeah, I'll give you guys this one. Boop. Throw that over there because it's used. And Spoink. Streebus. Pikachu, definitely hanging on to that off to the side. Magikarp. Reverse Hollow Execute to go with the Executor. And for the rare, Staraptor. Non-hollow. Tricked me for a second, it looked kind of glossy. And Grappler. Ancient Origins. Hey, I said it right. Wonder, can you get a Tyrannosaur in here? That'd be cool. Alright. Glork. Porygon. Persian. Eevee. Unknown. Reverse Hollow Unknown. And Registeel. So that one wasn't very good. Way to let me down, Pichu. Not even a real Pikachu. Okay, let's see. Let's move on to Mewtwo. Ow. Wow, these are like so hard to get open where the plastic is lined up. It's like right against the tin, so you can't like grab onto it. See how my editing skills are. I'll see if I can edit some of me opening these up off camera out. Trim it out. Okay. Mewtwo. Oh, that's weird, these packs are upside down. Ah! Back down, back down! It's gonna be the one that had like something real good in it. And another Ninetales. Very creative. Mewtwo. I'm gonna look at all these ones more later. Taking up too much time. And we'll do Ancient Orange first. Just kidding. Origin. Kobe. Quagsire. Meowth. Dinner. I should have been making sure these are focused here. Vesquian, but this time it's a Reverse Hollow, and Regice unholographic. I think Regice, isn't that one of like the secret Pokemon of that one generation, whatever generation it's from? I don't know, I'm starting to get a little more familiar now. I've only been looking at the newer Pokemon since, like, anything after Gen 2 I really don't know much about, but this is like day 4 or 5, I'm kind of looking at this stuff. I'm getting a little bit more used to it. Aaron, Ghastly, Staryu, Mini Stuffle, Reverse Hollow Shellos, and a Go-Goat holographic. Barely looks holographic. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if that'll focus in. Is that gonna focus, or is that gonna stay focused on my hand? I don't know, it's not focusing. Barely looks, there you go. Barely looks holographic, but I swear it is holographic. And the last 10, let's see if we can get last 10 magic. I only had 1 GX so far. I mean, I don't know if that's good pull rates or not, but it's not my favorite Pokemon. Executor. It's not even a regular one, it's an Alolan Executor. I did watch some of the Sun and Moon stuff with my son. It's on, I think it's on Netflix. And another Ninetales. Little Mew card there. Kind of wish they had different variety of the packs in here, where you'd be surprised on what ones were in here, not the same ones over and over again. Let's see. Well, that one's like stuck together. Okay. Cacnea, Swinub, Mankey, Aaron. I laugh at that one all the time. It's like a person's first name. I mean, I guess there's missing a name, but still. Reverse Hollow Swinub and Mamoswine. Sea of Nothingness. That's what that pack was. A Sea of Nothingness. And for the last pack, give us something beautiful. Ugh. Relicanth, Cottony, Baltoy. That one looks a lot different than the other one for some reason. Ralts, Gillette, Reverse Hollow Quagsire, and Vespiquen. I just had that one, but it's not even hollow. Alright, that's it, guys. I have more packs and stuff coming. I might open another 10 here today since I have more time than I thought. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. This is definitely my longest video. I'll try to keep them shorter next time. And remember, subscribe. And Merry Christmas.